Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 10. Italian Sausage and Veggie Bowls. It makes for a meal that is sure to please your dinner guests. Prepare time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons olive oil, 8 cups of sliced veggies. I usually use 1 bunch of asparagus, 1 red bell pepper, 1 red onion, 1 yellow bell pepper, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, and an 8-ounce carton of baby bella mushrooms. 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, 1 pound Italian sausage, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 batch of garlic Parmesan orzo pasta. For topping, use freshly grated Parmesan cheese along with fresh chopped basil or parsley. Garlic Parmesan orzo pasta, 1 pound, 16 ounces unprepared orzo pasta, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 cups milk, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cloves garlic, minced. Directions: 1. Prepare your Italian sausage and veggies bowls by first preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Line large baking sheet with aluminum foil, then lubricate it with cooking spray and set it aside. 2. In a large mixing bowl, add your Italian sausage, olive oil, and sliced veggies. Season with garlic powder and mix to combine. 3. Lay the mixture on top of the prepared baking sheet, spreading it out evenly. Add salt and pepper to the top of the mix. 4. Bake for 25 minutes in the prepared oven. Mix halfway through or cook until the veggies are tender and cooked. Place the baking sheet on top of a wire rack to cool for about 10 minutes. 5. Cook your orzo al dente in boiling salted water according to the package instructions. Drain and put aside. 6. In a pan over medium-high heat setting, add your olive oil with garlic, then sauté for 2 minutes, mixing until the garlic becomes fragrant. Blend with flour and mix until well combined. 7. Slowly whisk in the milk and keep cooking while stirring, often over a low simmer. Remove from heat, then stir in the Parmesan cheese till evenly mixed. 8. Divide between serving bowls the sausage/veggie mix and orzo topping with your favorite toppings. Serve and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Italian sausage and veggie bowls recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.